Hi fragrance family, how are you all doing? This is Gaurav from Splash Fragrance India, and we are going to talk about top 10 date fragrances for men right after this introductory video. So thanks guys for joining with me. The first honorable mention for a fragrance for date would be Yves Saint Laurent La Nuit de l'Homme. Since a decade, this fragrance has won so many hearts because this fragrance was amazing as always, but lately it has been little reformulated, but still it smells very good. It has a blend of cardamom and lavender, which makes it very appealing and very sexy. You can wear it all year round, and trust me guys, girls love this one a lot. And just a hint, I have this bottle of 2010 batch which I am relishing right now. It's so dark, so potent and so juicy. Beautiful fragrance it is. Second fragrance which we are going to talk about is Guerlain L'Homme Ideal Extreme EDP. This is the recent flanker of the regular line of Guerlain L'Homme Ideal. This fragrance smells like winters. It has that warm note of almond blended with woody note. It's very intoxicating guys. This fragrance, even though is a new launch, will definitely get noticed, I'm sure, because the regular flanker L'Homme Ideal EDP is already loved a lot among the community. Even girls love this one a lot. This smells very edible, I would say. It has that note of almond blended very beautiful with woody notes. Can easily be worn for winters as well as for date. Very good option. Third fragrance which we are gonna feature is Montale Intense Cafe. Those who are already into the niche fragrances would be knowing about this fragrance. Intense Cafe is one of my personal favorite fragrance because it features coffee blended with rose. Generally rose fragrances are not for men's. This is the typical thinking for many of the fragrances all across the community, but this fragrance has a beautiful note of rose. It's not a jammy rose, it's a very sweet but subtle at the same time, with a undertone of coffee, making it very gourmandish in nature, and this smells very sexy on men. I can rate it like top 10 in my personal collection. This is such a beauty. Wow. Guys, you should not miss this one. Montale Intense Cafe. The fourth fragrance which we are going to talk about is Thierry Mugler Ultimate. Ultimate by Thierry Mugler, not Thierry Mugler, in fact it was launched under the name of Mugler, and it's a recent launch. This fragrance is not much talked about. It's a very underrated fragrance, but I feel that this should deserve the reach across the community because this fragrance is very good. And again, being a flanker to the regular Amen series by Thierry Mugler, this one has a very beautiful leather note blended with vanilla. Even though I think so leather is not mentioned in Fragrantica as a note, but I get a very strong vibe of leather. The leather here is not a very sharp leather, but it has that similarity with Azzaro Naughty Leather. I have already done a video on that. It's the last video. You guys should definitely check it out. This fragrance is very good, and this one personally on me lasts for more than 8 to 10 hours even in summers. So guys, a very ideal option for date fragrance. If you have a budget to go a little bit high, like 20,000 for 70 ml, guys, you should not miss Maison Francis Kurkdjian Baccarat Rouge. this has already dethroned Creed Aventus for being the king of niche fragrances. This fragrance was launched 3 to 4 years back, if I am not mistaken, and this has a very beautiful bubblegum sort of vibe, and I also get that burnt sugar sort of smell. Even though many people or many reviewers say that this fragrance smells a little feminine, but what I think that you should have that personality to wear this fragrance. A very good and very ideal option if you have niche budget, and this fragrance will definitely love to get noticed. You should give some wearings of this one, because guys, it's a very airy sort of fragrance. If you think that the moment you'll spray it and you have to get a whiff of it, guys, you should forget this, because this fragrance works with the pheromones. You have to give it some time and it develops on your skin. It's a very worthy option, and I have 200 ml in my personal collection. A very ideal option. Next, we'll talk about Initio. It's called as Oud fragrance. It's Baccarat Rouge blended with Oud. Basically, that is what Initio Oud for Greatness smells like. It has that burnt sugar candy sort of vibe blended with oud. And when I say oud, it is that animalic oud which we are going to talk about. And it's very masculine. But at the same time, Initio fragrances are not at all overpowering. For the price range of 21,000 rupees for 90 ml, this fragrance is very good, comes in Eau de Parfum concentration. But guys, the longevity of Initio Oud for Greatness on my skin has been more than 12 to 14 hours. Good option. Next fragrance which we are going to talk about is Parfum de Marly Layton. Parfum de Marly Layton is a very beautiful fragrance which features green apple note. If you can see, a very beautiful bluish sort of bottle this one is. This fragrance is also one of my personal favorites from Parfum de Marly. Generally, you won't be getting so many fragrances which features green apple as a note, but this one has a very mellow green apple note blended with so many other notes like lavender. It has rosemary. It has that vetiver note. All in all, I find this is a very safe niche fragrance for all year round. And for clubbing also, or for party as well as for date, this fragrance will definitely not let you down. It has a very subtle sweetness and does not get cloyingly sweet or spicy, and plays a very safe game. You should definitely consider this one as an option for date fragrance. Nice one. One more fragrance which I think many of the heads all across the community, or even the new entrants of fragrance enthusiasts will love, and this one is called as Naxos. It's by the house of Xerjoff. Guys, if I tell you this is a new sort of bottle Xerjoff has launched. Earlier they used to come in a very different and unique sort of bottle, but I think so due to some leakage issues, the company has changed the bottle style, but still the bottle looks very neat and the packaging is very good. This one cost you 16,150 for 100 ml and is a very beautiful concoction which makes tobacco blended with other woody notes. Nice. This has a very mature sort of tobacco note. And this one, guys, if you would have heard a fragrance by the house of Thierry Mugler, it's called as Pure Havane. Naxos has the similarity with Pure Havane, but Naxos smells very mature, and even though being identically similar, this fragrance has something very unique. Again, I get a very sweet cigar sort of note. I guess that's coming from honey. It's definitely a keeper, and girls love this fragrance because generally tobacco fragrances are not loved by women because it becomes a little harsh, it becomes a little acrid, and this fragrance blends very well with us, and I'm sure that you are gonna get compliments with this one. We are gonna highlight this exotic looking bottle. It's called as Viktor and Rolf Spice Bomb Extreme. I'm sure by looking at the bottle you would have got the idea that Spice Bomb Extreme has taken an inspiration from Grenade. Yes, it looks like Grenade. It's again a flanker of a regular Spice Bomb fragrance. Spice Bomb was a very subtle, very sophisticated sort of fragrance, but this one has again overpowered Spice Bomb, and this fragrance, Spice Bomb Extreme, is getting so much love, and the people all across the globe, with regards to men or women, everyone loves this fragrance a lot. Even though being spicy, this fragrance has that unique sort of fragrance vibe. If you guys have tried or experienced Bulgari Man in Black, which is again a leather and vanilla fragrance, you might get a little bit of similarity with this one. Not exactly similar, but this has that spicy undertone blended with leather. This fragrance is very good for clubbing, even for date scent. This is very good. Last but not the least, this is a fragrance called as Dior Homme Intense. It's a very beautiful powdery fragrance which features iris as a note. Dior Homme Intense. It's very close to my heart, guys. If you love that lipstick vibe you get from women's, you will definitely love this one. Wow. That unique factor which you guys expect from a fragrance, you'll definitely get in this one, Dior Homme Intense. Dior Homme Intense, this is in 150 ml bottle. It has a very unique accord of iris. Iris note is basically a very floral note for women's. There are so many fragrances out there for women's with iris note, but this one has an iris note which is very masculine, very sexy, very appealing, and will be a hit among the masses. This fragrance is very good for clubbing, even for date scent. This is very good, and the fragrances which I have shown you are perfect for Indian climate, guys. Being an Indian, I wanted to highlight these fragrances because generally in India we have temperatures soaring till 40 degrees, 43 degrees all across the nation. So these fragrances which we have talked about have lasting of more than 8 to 10 hours bare minimum. So guys, think on your budget and you can make a choice among all these beautiful niche as well as designer fragrances. That's it for now, guys. These are some of my top selected fragrances for date as well as for clubbing. If you love this video, do not forget to let us know what all fragrances you love for date and for clubbing. And till then, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.